So first we just detach the old shower arm. Make sure all the parts are aligned, and especially the screw-shaped metal. And then we replace with the new shower arm parts. First, same thing, we detach the parts, and then make sure all the small parts are aligned, the big black rubber and the small black rubber, and then the screw-shaped metal. Yeah, place them together as it was. Yeah, make sure it's perfectly aligned. And then the small piece of black waterproof rubber first, and then the bigger ones after. Yeah, and then afterward, use the metal cap to cover them up as it was, and then screw it tight. Make sure everything is aligned, and we are all set.